Is it possible to make money on TikTok? Absolutely yes. And today I'm going to share with you 3 super easy ways for you to make money on TikTok just by making videos even though you do not have a lot of followers. Sounds interested? Okay, come let me share with you. But before I begin, let me introduce myself. I'm Kong, TikTok content specialist, and I help a lot of brands and clients that will I help them with their TikTok content strategy, okay, on how to make more views, more followers, and more sales. So on my own account, right now, I grew it from a few hundred to around 33,000 right now. Okay, and I have another account, also 12,000 followers, and a brand new account coming up. So if you want to work with me or want me to help you with your brand or your business, please click the link below. Come, let's go to the video. Okay, so the first way for you to make money on TikTok is to become a TikTok shop seller. Right now, TikTok shop to sell on TikTok is only available in certain countries. Asia, most of the Asian countries there is, and maybe UK. Okay, so for you to sell on TikTok, all you have to make is a TikTok Seller Center account and and join it together with your TikTok video account. Link it together. Okay, make sure that you list some products inside and keep on making videos for your account and tag the product. Okay, then when people see your video, they love it and they'll click the buy now button. Okay, super easy. I have a video on the setting up your TikTok seller account, so please refer to my channel if you want to know more. Okay, so that's just as easy to be a seller. You list your products in. Step number 2, or way number 2 to make money on TikTok is to be an affiliate. Okay, as a seller, an affiliate is totally different. TikTok affiliate means that you don't need to carry stock. All you need to do is to find a seller's product on the TikTok center and add the product into your account, and you make videos of the product. For example, you love eating this particular Korean mee, so you make the mee and you eat it, and then you tag the product, and if anybody buys from your account directly, the order will go to the seller and seller will process the order. So once the money you will receive is the commission from the seller via TikTok shop. That's so easy. So all you have to do is make videos to get commission. No need to carry stock. I think that's one of the easiest way for you to make money. Okay. Third way, okay, that anybody can make, even though you are a seller or not a seller, whichever country you are, US, UK, Malaysia, okay, is to sell your service or your expertise or personal branding on TikTok. All you have to do is currently make videos to help your target audience, give them tips, give them advice, solve their problem, or entertain them, and then whatever that they need the solution, you can provide them. For example, you are an insurance agent. For example, you are a fitness coach, or for example, you are a trainer. Okay, for e-commerce like me. Okay, all you have to do is just do that. That's why I have a lot of followers on my TikTok, because I know how to make views, followers, and sales. So for those of you who are interested to work together with me, you want me to help you to grow your TikTok, please click on the link below to contact me. So please use all the tips to make more money for yourself and on TikTok. Remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you feel that this has helped you. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, everybody. Bye.